Hello and greetings to everyone. Here to correct the following exercise for application. Using a ruler and a protractor, draw angles of the following sizes and state their special names. A, we have the angle 55 degrees. We take down solution. Take A. We are to draw the angle 55 degrees. First thing, we are going to start by drawing the initial line. This is our initial line. We put the initial mark, initial point. Then we place our protractor on the initial line. Control the zero mark to lie on the horizontal line. With the initial point of our protractor lying on the initial point of the line. Then we read 55 degrees. This is 0, then 20, 30, 40, 50. We count. This is 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. You can see the line very thick. And now we put a dot. Then we use our ruler to connect the dot to the initial point of the initial line. Such. Then we level the angle. This is the angle 55 degrees. The special name for the angle 55 degrees, it is an acute angle. It lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So the special name is acute angle. Write it below. We move now to B. For B, we have the angle 79 degrees. We follow the same procedure. We draw our initial line, carrying the initial point. We place our protractor on it. We arrange the protractor. We measure 79 degrees. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 79 degrees will be close to 80. We know there are 10 of these marks, so this will be 79. Put a dot here. Then we use our ruler. We connect the dot to the initial point. Such. This angle is 79 degrees. The special name, it is an acute angle. It lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. We move now to C, which is 120 degrees. We draw the initial line. We arrange our protractor to lie on this initial line. Then we read the angle 120 degrees. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. This is 120. We put a dot here. Then we use our ruler to connect the dot to the initial point of the initial line. Such, connect them. Then we label this angle as 120 degrees. The special name for this angle is, it is an obtuse angle. You can see it lies between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. Obtuse angle. We move now to D. For D, we have the angle 157 degrees. Next, we have to arrange our protractor. This is 0 degrees, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. This is 155. Then we count 2 units again, 155, 156, 157. Then we put a dot. Use our ruler to connect the dot to the initial point of the initial line. Such. Then we label the angle. This angle is 157 degrees, which is an obtuse angle. We move now to E. For E, we have to draw an angle of size 250 degrees. We are going to start by drawing our initial line. This is the initial mark. Placing our protractor and arranging the protractor. Such, we know if we are to extend this line to the left, this will give us a straight line angle which is 180 degrees. So this is 180 degrees. We know 180 degrees plus 70 degrees gives us 250 degrees. Next, we have to measure 70 degrees. We are going to turn our protractor as such. Place it like this. What we have to do is we have to measure 70 degrees this way. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This is 70 degrees. We place a dot here. Next, we use our ruler to connect the dot to the initial point of the initial line. Such. We are going to obtain something of this form. Then we indicate the angle. This is the angle 250 degrees. For straight line angle, this is 180 degrees plus 70 gives 250. The angle 250 degrees lies between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. The angle is a reflex angle. right below reflex angle. We go now to F. For F, we have to draw the angle 300 degrees. Using our ruler, we draw the initial line. This is the initial point. 180 degrees plus 120 degrees gives us 300 degrees. Straight line angles, we know that's 180 degrees. We need to measure 120 degrees down. Place our protractor, we arrange it. This is the 0 mark. The initial point lies on the initial point of the line. Then we measure 120 degrees. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Put the dot here. Then we connect the dot to the initial point of the initial line. Such. Then we level the angle. This is the angle 300 degrees, which is the reflex angle. It lies between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. We move now to G. For G, we have to draw the angle 319 degrees. G, 319 degrees. Draw the initial line. (180 degrees plus 139 degrees gives us 319 degrees. We are going to place our protractor upside down as such. Then we control the protractor in such a way that the 0 mark lies on the horizontal line and the initial point of the protractor lies on the initial point of the line. Such 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130. We have to measure 139. This is 140. 139 will be at this position. Put a dot. Then we connect the dot to the initial point of the initial line as such. Then we label the angle as 319 degrees. The special name for this angle, it is a reflex angle, since it lies between 180 degrees and 360 degrees. We are done with the solution of the exercise of application. If in case you have any worries, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. In our next video, we are going to see how to measure any given angle by using a protractor. Stay tuned for our next video. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.